Guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's, not today's, it's yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, January the 23rd, 2021, yes. The second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku, and this will be number 22015. Alright, 2215, and it has 25 printed digits. And is this really a 2 stars or a 3 stars? Because 3 stars Sudokus has always 25. Oh, need to sneeze. Apologies. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Okay. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see that 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. Then okay. Number 6. Yeah. It's taking too long. Nothing. Enough. Let me sneeze my nose. Okay, we need to put some numbers because it's taking too long. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Two in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 2 should be there. And in the first column, we have now 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this big square, so no 7 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 5 in this, in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. No, the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this row, so no 1 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. So the other pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. Two numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here, and I know 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with the 8. We have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. Alright. Then 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the 8, the 4, and the 6. 8, 4, 6. And look, we have an 8 and a 4 there in this row. So no 8 and a 4 in this box. The 8 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. So one box left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number here is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. 4 and a 7. Let me wait for a second. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there, and all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1, digit number 1, number 2. All right. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. All right. 1, 7 and a 4, 1, 7 and a 4. 1, 4, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 here in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be an 8. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 6. Oh, sorry. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. We see here 6. We see there 7. So no 6 and the 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. So 2 boxes left in this last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 5 and 9. 5 and 9. All right. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. All right. In this big square, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there's 6. No 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here and 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And look, we have a pair here, 5 and the 9. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8, I believe. Yes, 1 and 8 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. What a mistake. And this should be a 6. Not mistake, but overlooked. Okay, now we have a 6 there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. Alright, one number left in this column. For the number 4, I believe, yes, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 1 and 3. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there, no, we have an 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 and 8, 2, 3 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 5. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, and the 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous Sudoku, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, I will see you later with the last 2 Sudokus in this newspaper. In additional, it will be a tectonic and a binary one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.